Prynhawn da pawb, gobeithio chi gyd yn iawn. Excuse me. Hanner awr I 4 ar di Mercher, ni'n mynd I wneud sesiwn Ffit Yn 5. Good afternoon everyone, hope you're all okay. Going to do our Ffit Yn 5 session this afternoon. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises. Every time Milan, we'll warm up and we'll straight into it. No messing around heddi, okay? Be ni'n mynd I wneud? Side leg raises, okay? Na I dangos I chi, I'll show you now. Ni'n mynd I gorau lawr o'r ochr, okay? A ni just mynd I codi coes lan, slow back. What we don't want to do is quick, nice and slow. Slow lan, go as far as you can, a lawr, okay? Controlled, 30 eiliad fel na, a wedyn cael break, we'll have a little break, 30 seconds, and then 30 seconds on the other side. Nesa, plank. We've done this plenty of times. Really good. Gweithio'r core. Okay. Panelin, elbows, flat, forearms ar llawr. And we're going to keep our bum. We're not putting our bum in the air. Pen all loud, okay? 30 eiliad. We work for 30 seconds. Little break. 30 seconds again. Nesa, calf raises. Os chi moyn, you can hold on to something. Fel David, well, staircase fi, mynd lan, neu we could do 1 foot, a lawr, we're just mynd dros y top, as ti'n gallu weld, up, a lawr. Os mae hwn yn rhy haws, if that's too easy, you can always put a bag on, your school bag, more weight, a gweithio yr calves. Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o obliques wedyn. Oh! Okay, goggle lawr. We're going to touch our heels with our hands, okay? Goggle lawr, a touch. Fel na, okay? 30 seconds, gweithio'r obliques, sy'r muscles ar ochr, okay? A wedyn ni'n mynd I wneud backward lunges. So ni'n mynd I sefyll lan, ni'n mynd I step on nôl, okay? Ni'n mynd I creu 90, 90 degrees there, and 90 degrees at the back, a lan, switch off, keeping our back straight, don't bend, keep it nice and tall, sefyll nôl lan, okay? Those are the 5 exercises. We ni wedi gwneud nhw gyd o blaen, we've done them all before, ond practice ymarfer ni moyn cryfhau, okay? And ni dechrau dy bach o warm-up. I don't know if you've noticed, we've bach yn o'r heddi, okay? A little bit cold, so we're going to warm up. Okay, just I dechrau. Jog ar spot there. We're going to jog on the spot. Tra yn dod off y llawr. Okay, symud breichau ni. We're going to move our arms. Caro brysur. Okay, o'r ochr. Feet are coming off the floor. Just tipping back, just a little bit. Okay. Wedyn, pan ni'n jogo, ni'n mynd i'r punches bach o flan. Da iawn. Caro fynd. Just I twym o lan. Let's get this body ready for our exercise. Punches i'r ochr. Caro jog ar y spot. Okay, punch o lan, punch o fyny. Punch o llawr. Da iawn, ni'n mynd I couple of swings ar coes ni, fel ni chwarae pêl-droed. Kick o mas, a nôl. Da iawn. Jog ar spot, swap over, kick out, and back. Balance, how keep bwysig. Really bwysig, don't wobble. Nice and solid. Engage the core. Good. Unwaith eto pob ochr. One more each side. Da iawn. Tro ma. Sefyll yn llonydd. We're going to stand still. Feet close together. Okay. Pigo in coes lan. A swing of lan. Okay. Just nice and easy. Da iawn. Swap around. Foot is going to go in front. Ooh, wobble da fi fyna. Na ni. Bach o rhythm. Rhythm is a dancer. That's how the song goes. Da iawn, okay. Pigo'r Pingling your land, pick your knees up. Go and do a little high knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel flicks now. Pigyn o lan, Kevin. Keep your arms moving. Fi'n twymo lan. Stop, da iawn. Siglo fy nas. Os gobeithio mae pawb gyda bach o dŵr. Always a good idea. Okay, quick warm-up heddi. Fi'n meddwl, achos ni wedi bod o gwmpas yn ystod y dydd, because we've been about today, gobeithio chi wedi cael falle bach o chwaraeon, neu amser egwyl, you've had sports or you've had break times, you should be quite limber. Okay, fi wedi bod o ysgol heddi, I'm feeling quite limber. Pan i'n neud yn y bore, which, waking up, I'm ready to go. Okay. So, pawb I gorwedd lawr y llawr, everyone to lie down on the floor. Whoop. Okay. Lie down. And we're going to do leg raises. Nice and slow. Control the movement. Keep breathing. Go as far as you can. Lawr, nice and slow. Control everything. Should be a nice straight line. Gweithio coesau, hip flexors ni, pen ôl. Da iawn. Ni'n mynd I cael gorffwys bach, swap o droso. Defnyddio penelyn, use your elbow to get nice and comfortable. Okay. Pan barod. 3, 2, 1. Ochr yma. Fi bach o wan. This side's a bit weaker for me. So I'm really concentrating. Getting that leg as high as I can. And mae pawb o wahanol. Everyone's different. You might have someone that can get it all the way up here. Falle maen nhw'n mynd i'r gym club. A wedyn try, and ddim yn gallu mynd yn bell, they can't go very far. Hwnna'n fine. Da iawn. Ni'n mynd I wneud y plank nesa. Okay, ni wedi wneud y plank, loads of variations o gael. Os mae step gyda chi, mae step gyda fi, to make it harder, you can go on the step. Okay? Neu falle mae box neu cader, ond fi's mynd I gael yn eitha syml. We're going to keep it nice and simple. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Okay, pawb lawr. And hold. Hwnna'n tough. We don't want the bum up in the air. Keep it nice and flat. Tense or ball at ti. If you don't know what tensing your stomach is, imagine ti'n mynd I bwrw dy hunan. Imagine if you're going to hit yourself in the stomach. That feeling just before. You're going to tense just cyn. Cadw in. So os mae rhywun yn gweud tense up. You're making everything go harder. So your muscles are going a bit harder, they're working. So os ti'n meddwl tense your core, imagine os rhywun mynd I bwrw ti, that feeling fel na, okay? Hwna beth ni moyn. A to. Squeeze your bum as well. Okay, glutes, pen ôl. Popeth yn gryf yn y plank. Edrych ar y llawr. Don't raise your head. 10 eiliad I fynd. Da iawn pawb. Cadw'n adlu, keep breathing. Eto, yr un peth. If someone's with you and they can put a little book on your back, there's rhywbeth fel that to increase it, hwnna'n fine. Calf raises. Fi mynd I defnyddio hwn, sa'n siŵr os mae Facebook yn gallu weld, bookcase, staircase. Fi'n mynd I dal â fe, I'm going to do left foot only. Slow lan, slow lawr, okay? Pam gallu weld? Slow lan, slow lawr. I'm only doing 1 foot to make it harder. You can put 2 foot together. Nice and slow. Control of our ffordd lawr. Don't just go up and down. Nice and slow. Really work the calf muscle. Da iawn. Nice and slow. Eto. Try backpack arno. Okay, you can put a bag on. Increase the weight. Da iawn. Siglo fe mas. Yeah. Mae'n gweithio galed fyna. So eto, increase the time, slow the time. Increase it, instead of doing 30 seconds, neud 45, neu neud yn slow. A be fi'n meddwl neud yn slow, neud popeth yn slow fach. Fel squats. Os ti'n mynd really slow, mae fe'n anodd hefyd. So mae loads of ffordd, lots of ways of increasing it if you don't have equipment, okay? 14 eiliad. O! Calf fi'n llosgi, fi dwi'n cerdded rown eddi. Calf is burning because I've been walking around. Da iawn, good. Bach o dŵr sy'n angen. 25 seconds. Obliques ar ochr. We're going to be going side to side a defnyddio'r muscles fan hyn, okay? Pawb lawr, get yourselves ready. Pawb gallu weld fi? Yep, okay. Nice symud i'r ochr so you can see the feet, yna. Okay, just touches bach. If it's too easy, move your feet a little bit further away. Nice and slow. Wasn't tough, on good. 15 seconds to go. Da iawn. Pump. Da iawn. And then neud hwnna to. We'll do that again. And wedyn, we're already on the last one. Fantastic. 5 munud o gweithgareddau, 5 minutes of activities, job done. Pawb lawr, everyone down. Oh, funny. Just slow bach. If you want to go quicker, you can. Fel fi nawr, a little bit quicker. Deg eiliad, 10 seconds. Da iawn. Oh! Last exercise, fantastic pawb. Lunges nôl, okay? So ni'n sefyll, a ni'n mynd i fynd step nôl. 90, 90 degrees, okay? Like the edge of a piece of paper, square, square, square. A ni'n mynd nôl ymlaen, step back and forward. Alternating legs. Beth sy'n digwydd? Am brysur. Okay, step nôl, back straight, lan, left leg tro ma, nôl, 90 degrees, bach o wobble, cadw fynd. Take a nice step backwards, loud, 90 degrees, boom. Good. 4 eiliad, keep going. I mean, clywech chi? Steph, that was a little bit easy. Fine. Eto, you could put a backpack on, you could use weights. Falle chi moyn neud y bach yn gyflamach, and go quicker. You could turn it into a jump. A swapo, lan I chi. But keep the quality. If you find you're wobbling, slow fel lawr, concentrate. Ato chi. Keep your back straight. Da iawn. Coesau yn gweithio fan hyn. Quads. Yn wedig. Da iawn. Ar ôl hwn, ewn ni stretch off. Da iawn pawb. Pawb i cael quick drink. Siglo fe allan. Okay. Quads. We newi wneud y lunges. We'll do the quads. Going to pick up our right leg at the back, so our foot is coming up. Hook. And we're going to hold it for 10. Good. Drop the lawr, shiggle off. Switch legs. Left to left. Da iawn. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Tro yma. So mae pawb gallu weld. I'm going to use my staircase eto. I'm going to lean against it, need calves. Take a little step back with your right foot and get a nice and straight leg, okay? Heel touching the floor, lean in. Left leg is bent at the knee, okay? Penglin, pluggy. And you should feel a stretch at the back of your straight leg, okay? Which is the right leg at the moment. Stretch your mass calf muscles. Da iawn, step on all, shiglo fe off, shake it off. Feet together, left foot, okay? Troi'r chwith mynd nôl, heels touching the floor. Leg is pretty straight, falle a little bit of a bend. Right knee o flan, wedi plug i'r penglin. My trouser, trowsus fi wedi blend mewn ar wal, but there's a bend, okay? And lean in. Keep the heel on the floor, it should be on your left leg. Calf stretch. I wonder, if I just turn my eiliad, and pale bach, blend in with the wall. Okay, ni'n neud groen bach, feet quite wide apart, just mynd lawr, and ni'n neud hamstrings ni'n tro ma. Try and touch the floor. If you can't, that's fine. Hold it there. 10, 9, 6, 2, 1, and all your top. Shiglo fe off. Put one hand out. Put the other hand out. Bring them together. Oh, da iawn pawb. Fi'n creu bydd llwydian gyda chi fori dydd Iau. Diolch am ymuno gyda fi. Gweld chi gyd yn fuan. Ta-ta.